Product development never leaves you bored. The thing that I love the most, I get to create new things all the time, I get to face different challenges all the time, and deliver a product that nobody else on the market has. In the world of food processing, gluten-free is relatively new. For the other technologies out there in the food processing world, there is a lot of information, there is hundreds of years of built knowledge, and with the gluten-free products, you have to come up with a lot of brand new things. Yes, this is already frozen and swapped off.
Actually quite good.
Yeah. When we are developing a new product, we do look into the trends because we need to stay competitive. We do a short feasibility study, whether we have the equipment for that specific product, the ingredients for that specific product, whether we have to order new ingredients. An ingredient that Kinnikinnick would use is a gluten-free ingredient, GMO-free, kosher certified, no eggs, no dairy, no soy, no peanuts, no tree nuts. Also, we don't accept artificial flavors and artificial colors. In regular gluten products, gluten retains and absorbs a lot of water, and that helps with the structure, it helps with the processability of the dough. While in the gluten-free world, you need to replace it with something else that is going to bind that water, that is going to retain it, like xanthan gum or guar gum or cellulose. In the last 20 years, there was great progress with these cellulose products. And that allows us to provide a bread with very light, airy structure. It is not hard, it is not like gel, like a regular bread. Another thing that is very tricky in the gluten-free industry, the doughs and the batters tend to be very sticky. And that is very limiting with the equipment and provides a great challenge for the processability. The product works perfectly on the bench top, and you go to industrialization and you're facing unplanned issues. That means make the same thing over and over and over and over again, fail at it, and find the internal strength to continue doing it without going crazy. If the product is something that we currently have on board, we just have to work on a color maybe, changing the flavor itself. This is a fairly easy extension of the current portfolio. If we are talking about a product that is completely brand new, that has a completely different texture, completely different mouthfeel, completely different technology, that could take anywhere between 6 months or even 2-3 years.
It's actually really well baked.
No, that's the setting that...
This is what we want.
Yeah, and that is practically perfect.
Another part of product development is the regulatory portion, where you need to compile your ingredient list and your nutrition facts table. We understand how important clear labeling is for our customers. We take an effort to be upfront, factual, and detailed in our ingredient listing, in our allergen statements, so that people who buy our products are confident that the product that they're buying is safe for them and their families.